Hi, my name's Katie, and I'm here today because I wanted to share with you a tool that you can use to work with calming your nervous system during this time in the world, this time of uncertainty. And often when we are feeling anxious, what happens is our body tends to pull up and out of gravity to get ready to fight or flee from whatever the danger is. But when there isn't an obvious danger right in the environment that we need to get away from, our systems don't get to actually move and sequence that energy. And so when there's a pervasive, especially generalized kind of sense of uncertainty or threat, we get confused. Our systems can end up in an activated state for a longer period of time. So one of my favorite tools that I love to do for myself as well as share with others is to connect with the ground, to literally connect with the earth, connect with the floor, connect with whatever ground is that our bodies are on. So when our bodies feel that sense of ground, it sends a message to our brain and to our body that we are safe. It's the opposite of the fight or flee up and out of gravity. And so sometimes literally just sitting down on the ground, sitting on the floor, sitting on the earth, our bodies start to exhale a little bit more. And then another thing that you can do is tell your body, there is ground, here is ground. And I like to say, put most of your attention on the felt sense of the ground in contact with your body. So wherever you are in this moment, even if you're sitting in a chair, feel the chair beneath you or the floor beneath your seat. And for 3 breaths, primarily let your focus be on that sense of ground and see what happens. And this may be something that you need to do for a little while. And just like a meditation, you might need to keep reminding yourself to come back to the felt sense of ground. But as you do this, generally speaking, what happens is a sense of settling or an exhale or a sense of relief. So try that out. You can do it at home, inside, and or you can do it outside. I personally like to be out in the natural world. But anytime you're feeling anxious, one thing that you can always do is remind yourself to feel the ground.